Integris Composites has been named an official armor partner for American Rheinmetall in the U.S. Army's XM30 Combat Vehicle program. The company announced ahead of this year's Association of the United States Army, AUSA, annual meeting and exposition in Washington. The announcement places Integris at the center of a $45 billion Army modernization effort to replace the aging M2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicle with a new, modular, and more survivable platform. The XM30, which will form the backbone of the Army's Armored Brigade combat teams, is being developed by two U.S.-based prime contractors, including American Rheinmetall. This transformational program will deliver unmatched capabilities to modernize the Army's maneuver force, strengthen the U.S. defense industrial base and create high-tech American jobs, said Andrew Bonham, CEO of Integris Composites. "We are pleased to be a part of this. The accelerated innovation approach, developed in-house, combines decades of ballistic testing data, advanced modeling, and rapid prototyping to generate custom armor solutions on timelines that exceed conventional methods. During AUSA, we're displaying our advanced composite armor solutions and presenting our proprietary accelerated innovation," said David Cordova, Chief Commercial Officer. Cordova described the system as drawing on more than 30 years of expertise and thousands of material combinations to meet evolving survivability requirements. "Our partnership with American Rheinmetall on the XM30 program demonstrates our commitment to supporting the Army's most critical modernization priorities," he said. The XM30's modular open systems architecture aligns perfectly with our design philosophy. Integris designs and manufactures composite armor for land vehicles, aircraft, naval vessels, optronic systems, and personal protection, operating multiple U.S. facilities including a technical design center in Hebron, Ohio, a vehicle design site in Goleta, California, and corporate headquarters in Tysons Corner, Virginia. According to the company, its involvement in the XM30 effort is the latest in a series of high-profile defense programs. This transformational XM30 program will deliver unmatched capabilities to modernize the Army's maneuver force, Bonham said, echoing the Pentagon's broader push to revitalize the defense industrial base through domestic design, advanced materials, and job creation. The XM30 program, managed by the Army's Optionally Manned Fighting Vehicle, OMFV, initiative, is a critical element of the service's effort to overhaul its armored vehicle fleet over the coming decades. The vehicle is expected to incorporate open architecture design, advanced protection systems, and future-proofed mission flexibility.